Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fortnite Mobile how to emote. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using emotes in Fortnite Mobile is a fun way to express yourself during matches. To do it, first head over and open up your Fortnite Mobile. Then what you need to do is just simply select a game and then simply tap on play. Now once you're inside a game, what you need to do is select an emote. To do it, the emote tutorial will pop up showing all the emotes you have equipped. Swipe or tap to select the emote that you want to use. Then once selected, your character will perform the emote instantly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and you can also customize which emote appears in the wheel by going to your locker in the main menu and selecting emotes to equip. Some emotes can be activated quickly by tapping the corresponding quick emote button if you set one. Emotes does not affect gameplay and can be used anytime outside of menus. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.